So, hello everyone. So, first of all, I like to introduce myself. I am Pooja Sav and I am student at Step by Step English Speaking Institute from Diamond Batch, and as well as I am studying in FYBLS LLB from DBH Law College. So, yes, today my topic is my favorite learning way. So that is my topic. So I will start. So first, my favorite learning way. So first, activity. So why activity? Because only activity you every day practice with activity. Not only activity. Activity you learn. You give knowledge. You give knowledge. You give a knowledge, and also also every day practice with your activity. So uh, before I didn't know what is activity, how to speak English front of, how to speak front of camera, how to speak front of live. I didn't know, but after joining these classes, yes, I know how to talk to front of people, how to talk to front of camera. Why important activity? Why follow everyday activity consistently? So these things I learned that. So so many activity are there. First, SHP. SHP means your last week your achievement challenge, helping, planning, and also research day, knowledge day. Knowledge day is not only knowledge day. You can practice practice in knowledge day, uh, and made video. It's not only knowledge. Knowledge day is in knowledge day you give you give a knowledge in book summary, and every week you give a knowledge day, and every day every week you share your one book summary, and then you learn so many things, and every week I learn so many things, and every day I learn new knowledge day. I mean, say that means every day every week I learn new books and gain my knowledge. So, so yes, knowledge is very important activity, and also Friday fast. You choose one category. For example, four category are there. First, A plus category, A category, B category, C category. So these are category, and then you follow A plus category. So yes, then you learn English, how to talk to English, because you follow A plus category. So only talk in English 1 week. So yes, activities are very important for me, because I didn't practice every day, because every day I make video. So yes, activities is very important, and also for 4 by 7 technique. So in after joining these classes, that time I know for a 4 by 7 technique. What is for 4 by 7 technique? Uh, so 4 by 7 technique is given us how to talk to front of, how to talk to camera, how to public speaking uh, in in public place. So how to follow all activities. So these things I learned, and how to talk in stage front of people, how to present yourself in front of. So these things I learned that. So yes, activities, yes, more important, and also I talk to in front of you. So how for activity, because the before uh, I didn't know how to talk to front of people, and also I took interview qualified persons, and now I talk to any place, any front of people, any front of camera, because and any qualified persons, because I follow activity. So yes, then I talk to front of many people. Also, I have taken interview qualified person. I got advocate, doctor. So then I talk to front of you. So why for activity? So activities is for more important for me because I gain knowledge and I every day practice and every day I talk and every day I make video for activity. So and also I learned that how to speak confidently, fluently. These things I learned that now I talk to any place and any qualified persons. And also I want to become a advocate. So yes, English is very important for me. And so I talk to my advocates, my advocate friends, and also in court I talk only English and also every day I talk to only English for activities. So yes, activities is most for important and also for 4 by 7 techniques are provide me. Then I talk to in English in front of you live. So yes, activity is more important and after joining this class after joining classes so my favorite learning way for activity and everyday practice and so these things I learned at activity. So that's it. Thank you. And also I will give one message. Follow uh, for the activity, then you speak. And you didn't follow activity, then you speak. Then you didn't not speak. So yes, activity is more important. So that's it. That's it. Thank you.